Okay, so I have some cleanup left to do on some of the braces. I'm not happy with. Little bit of work, but mostly I have cleanup, like, you know, this kind of stuff here. Just gotta do a little bit of sanding, hit it with the buffer, clean it up. I'll be happy with it. Doesn't have to be perfect, but there's the big ass thumb ring. There's the little thumb ring that I'm going to use for the thumb hook on the back for these guys, and the pinky. So. 6th valve slide, which is like a second in C, and 2nd valve slide, which is a second in F. Little slide, big ring, big slide, little ring. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, so I've got all these done. These are all the slides. I've made all of these. I just retained about half of the crooks. The other half are new. Water keys off something else, because the one that was on there that I prefer is unfortunately a little bit off to go with the ferrules that I used. The length of them, where the base goes and where the nipple goes. So I'll come up with something better. I think I may do like Joe and buy some nickel silver Meinl Weston water keys or something like that. Anyway, everything you see on here is braced and ready to go. I just have to clean it up. This is the weird brace that is doubling as my lever rack. Let's see if I can focus that. Yeah. So that screws down to the dog leg. Right there. And the levers go right there. Beautiful. And I corrected my funky 4 slide in 2 planes. It's very reasonably straight now. The angle with the 5th is off. The 5th slopes in a little bit to go along with the shape of the top bow, so it doesn't just stick out into my gut. It's supposed to tuck in some. And but 4th is good on both sides. Stay focused. There we go. 5th and 6th, everything works. It's plainly visible that I can take them apart and put them together again, so that all is good. My thumb hook I tried out, and I'm pretty upset. It's a 1/2 inch to 1 inch too short this way. It needs to come out, but the height is perfect. So anyway, I have done all of this. Everything on here that's nickel silver is new that I just put on over the life of this project. So all the slide legs, there we go, the valves, all these braces, everything. This is all new material. I retained some of the slide crooks, this big ass hoop, these pieces here that allow me to run that, and the piston valve set and the bugle. And then everything else on here is new. So you can see I got a ton of cleanup to do. It's pretty messy, but I'm very happy with how everything came out. In the end, my fretting over the valves being messed up and a number of other things turned out to be for naught. Everything is good. Let me brace this back up. Got to put this stuff on here in case the cats jump up here, and I want to cover everything with towels. Excuse me. So anyway, ready to go on to the next step, which will be adjusting a couple of the last braces and then cleaning everything up tomorrow. And then I can start playing the horn again. Oh, I got to do the linkages. Okay. See ya. Bye.